Hi guys, welcome back. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm finally getting around to decorating our fall porch. This is something I've never done before, but I feel like as a mom, you tend to go all out for the holidays or for the different seasons just to make your kids smile and start your own traditions. I absolutely love how the porch turned out, so make sure to stay to the end of the video so you can see what it looks like now. But first things first, I definitely needed to power wash our front porch because this is something that was overdue. It was a complete mess and very dirty, and power washing is an easy way to really update and clean the outside of your home. If this is your first time here, my name is Mia and I'm a working mom with a 2-year-old little girl named Riley. And here on my channel, I post a ton of cleaning and lifestyle videos. So I would love it if you stuck around by subscribing and clicking the bell notification. Make sure to leave me a comment below saying hi and introducing yourself. I love getting to know you guys better. And I make sure to respond back to every single comment. So Riley was actually taking a nap while I was power washing the porch, and I planned it out that way because I didn't want her to see what I was doing and then her want to help because I thought that was way too dangerous. But I figured once she got up from her nap, she could then help me decorate the rest of the porch. Unfortunately, it's been raining the past couple of days in New Jersey, so you will see an outfit change a little bit later on in the video because I had to wait until everything cleared up. So I was able to get a really great deal on these mums. I had went to so many different places, but my local ShopRite had them on sale 3 for $12, which was not bad at all for 8-inch mums. Considering everywhere else I went, it was way more expensive. So if you guys are interested in also decorating your porch as well, definitely make sure to go check your local grocery store because they might actually have the best deal. And then I also picked up these white pumpkins from Michael's. They were on sale for $10 each, and I'm thinking about going back and getting some black ones. I figured it would tie in nicely with the wreath that I purchased, which you guys will see in a moment. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your I picked up this wreath from Home Goods and I completely fell in love with it. I thought it was different than your traditional one. And then I'm also using a Dollar Tree wreath, I guess like hanger. They had a ton of different colors, so definitely make sure to go check those out. But I am in love with the way this turned out. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your